Five towers off the first one.
Story building. All three towers and
Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good midnight to all my friends near and far. Ito po si Marilyn, your friendly Filipino carpentera here in America. At dahil wala akong ma-video sa aking trabaho ngayon, ito na lang. This was taken years back when we went to California. Sa ano ito Spring Valley. Spring Valley ba yun? But guys, napakaganda talaga nito. Pumunta kami sa tuktok ng bundok.
Definitely a bigger reason for why everything's taking so long. I don't know that it's necessarily recording.
Yeah. Nag-uusap kami tungkol sa aming contractor na, ay, palagi lang contractor. But anyway, guys, nagiging best friend na kami. I feel like, I'm best friends with Gary. Pagkatapos namin, diba, nagka-encounter kami, nasigawan ko siya. Kung hindi nyo nakita yun, please watch my previous videos. Doon ko na, nabuhos yung lahat ng mga linuloob ko, mga tinae ko. Joke. But anyway, guys, so after that, yun, tapos trabaho nila, yung future carport namin ako, tapos agad, after 3 days, tapos, o diba, kailangan talagang magsagit ka ba? Ano bang sagit? Sigaw-sigaw ka din panalagsa. Pero mabait man ako, guys. Hindi naman ako palaging sumisigaw pag kaya ko pa. Joke. But anyway, guys, so yun. I think with Gary and I, all's well that ends well. Kasi tapos naming kausap. Yun, bumait na siya sa akin. Tapos, tinapos na yung trabaho niya. Tapos tumawag siya almost every 3 hours tumawag siya after ko siyang nasagitan. That the next day yun, trabaho niya almost every 3 hours, nagre-report siya, ito na ako, tapos pinapadala niya mga pictures, mga ganun ba. That is the kind of worker I like to hire. Hindi yung take advantage lang. But anyway, after that, when was that, yesterday or the other day, he said, you know what, Marilyn, I don't like, ayoko nang may atraso. I don't like disagreements. I don't like fightings. I don't like that. It stresses me out. Nasi-stress din pala siya. Kailangan kasi minsan na paulit-ulit na lang na you have to call them their attention para tumino yung mga nila. So yun, nakikinig na lang ako sa kanya, and again, he asked for forgiveness. Hindi kahapon but the previous day, sorry again Marilyn, blah 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 blah. And so now parang magaan naman talaga yung loob ko sa kanya. But anyway, so ngayon, as what I've said again earlier, all's well that ends well. So we're starting a new phase in our relationship. What can you say, Corey?
As long as it's better than the last time.
Yeah, kasi ayaw niya nang makipag-usap kay Gary. Every time na pag siya yung kumakausap kay Gary, wala siyang magawa kundi magbigay ng pera. Ito talaga si Gary, may bertot talaga ito Ano kaya powers niya na? But anyway, guys, sabi ng friend ko, di ba Marilyn contractor, you should have an agreement. Sabi din ng kapatid ko na you should have an agreement kung ano ang scope ng mga, kung ano ang job scope nila, kung ano yung how much is the payment, ang timeline ng pagtatrabaho. Ito kasi siya is maliit lang na maliit lang na project. Maliit, pero guys, ang maliit dito umabot ng 1 million. Ganun, guys. Driveway, magkahakot-hakot ka lang ng mga, maliit lang siya compared sa paggawa ng buong bahay. Kasi sa outside work lang siya yung paggawa lang ng retaining walls, paghakot lang ng mga dirts, yung mga lupa, mga gravels, gravel. Yun, pagkakot-hakot lang ng mga semento, gravel, at saka iba pa. So, para sa hindi na kailangan talagang magkaroon ng mga kasulatan because it's just minor stuff. Although, mahal na talaga para sa akin kasi kinukonvert ko ng pesos So, yun. Yan yung rason. Of course, doon sa aming contractor, yung sa builder namin na engineer, of course, we have to have an agreement, a contract. So, yun. Pati na yung sa mga electrical wiring, yung sa mga plumbing, yung sa mga HVAC, yun, bless you. God bless you. Yun yung may this much. But anyway, so yung sa kanya, ano lang mga punching lang na trabaho. But I'm glad that, everything is settled and then he knows that he cannot just make a fool out of me because I speak my thoughts. And at the same time, common respect lang ba? Guys, they might wonder na palagi na lang itong nagko-complain si Carpentera, guys. Ganun talaga. Kahit na from the itong mga problems ko ngayon sa carpentry works ko, this is nothing. Sorry, parang pumula yung mukha ko. This is nothing actually compared to my problems with my previous workers. In our previous renovations, guys, nako, may binubudol ka na klaro-klaro talaga. May ninakawan ka pa, may mga trabahante na hindi tama yung ginagawa nila, kaya we had to redo it again. Stuffs like that. So, itong problema namin ngayon, it's nothing. Si Cory nasa-stress si Cory, but hindi ako nasa-stress. Punta muna kami sa aming favorite restaurant. Ito yung paborito ko, authentic. Which one? Which part?
All of them.
Bacon cheddar burger, barbecue onion burger, smash burger, classic cheeseburger,
How about
the O Club sandwich, French dip BLT.
do those come with
I really don't understand what that is. Huh?
I should just have the glasses with me.
So ito yung initial serving nila. Guys, this is so yummy. Very soft, right? And tender. The best. Main course, everyone. And my husband. Diba sa atin yung mga tinapay na ganyan? Snacks lang yan. Dito sa Amerika, guys, meal na yan. Alright. Trabaho na naman tayo. Ooh, this one is stuck. I need to add water here, but it's stuck. Okay, at tayo ay magsisimula na. Lagyan muna natin ng tubig ang ating container dito kasi pag walang tubig, magsa-sparkle yung ating tiles. Tapos magka-cause ng, God forbid, sunog. So yan. At saka ito ay isang coolant din. Coolant para hindi mainit yung ating machine. Okay? Ready! I just need 3 more tiles. Okay, tapos ko nang binawasan yung edging dyan para doon sa bathroom. Kailangan kong install yan doon. Kaya lang, nandoon pa yung asawa ko nagpipinta sa mga damages doon sa pinta na ginawa ko before. So, standby lang siya dyan kasi yung asawa ko ayaw nang malistorbo. For the meantime, kung nanonood kayo sa mga previous videos ko, ito, I spent several days painting this one. Doon sa aming bahay, current bahay ngayon. Tapos, syempre, inihian ng mga pusa ko. And then, nung dinala namin dito, inahulog siya sa bangin. Not really bangin. Tingnan nyo yung sa labas, guys. Oh. Ganoon kataas yung, yung depression. Galing dyan sa daan, papunta dito sa bahay, is like 15 degrees angle. So, mahirap talaga. Tapos, pag umuulan pa, nagiging, mud. Nagiging muddy. Tapos, pagdala namin dito, dito, na-slide ako. Hulog ako kaya. Anyway, so papalitan ko na lang ito ng color. para uniform na lahat ng magiging color ng mga cabinetries ko. So as usual, yung ukay-ukay ko, paparaan-paraan lang yan kasi hindi pwedeng bili tayo ng bago. Mahal pag bago bibilhin mo itong mga cabinetries. So what we're going to do is just sand them down and then after that, magpipinta tayo ng panibago na gusto ko ng color. So stay tuned! Siyempre, kailangan muna nating i-sand dito para smooth. Open the eyes of my heart, Lord. Open the eyes of my heart. I want to see you. I want to see you. So, papalitan natin ito ng color. How do I do this? Horizontal or vertical? I think vertical is fine para it would go with the grain of the wood. Ewan ko kung makita nyo ba yung difference ng ano. Hi! Makita nyo ba ang difference ng color? Oop. Finally, natapos ko na yung initial painting ko doon sa lower cabinet ko. But I have to apply second coating kasi tinamad ako at hindi ko sana, I did not sand them. Tapos hindi ko din nalagyan ng primer. So, diretso na kasi tamad na talaga ako. I am horribly tired. Oh, obvious ba? But anyway, ito na po siya. Ding, ding, ding. Yeah, initial lang yan kasi kailangan pa ng second coating. Tapos, nakabili na kami ng countertop na marble. No, it's not marble. It's not marble, Corey, right? Our countertop is granite, not marble. Yeah. So, granite na countertop. So, ilalagay yan dun sa taas na puti na countertop with the matching. I don't know kung ano yung mga colors. Oh, probably gray. And then, sabi ni Corey, gusto ko sana yung mga upper cabinets dyan, puti. Tapos sabi niya, no, he likes a color blue. Gusto niya yung color na yan. Nagkamuriching pa kasi it is still wet. But hopefully when it dries up, it will be even. The distribution of the sheen will be even. So yan lang po ang initial na assessment presentation ko sa aking kitchen. Woot, woot, woot. Yan. Ang aming kusina. Kusina na matagal pang matatapos. Para naman ako nag-orasyon nito. Guys, umulan na naman. So that only means one thing. Hindi na naman makadeliver yung aming contractor sa aming landscaping. Kasi hindi matapos-tapos dahil sa ulan. Pag wala namang ulan, nandoon siya sa ibang mga tao nagtatrabaho. So, dihado talaga ako. What's dihado, guys? But anyway, see, yan lang yung maliit ko na kusina, tapos front room salas, tapos front door. Mas gusto ko yung door ko kaya lang maliit yan. Ito is like 4 inches wider, so okay na lang. And then we're going to buy a side light. Did you order a side light already, Corey? So, sabi niya, yeah daw. Tapos yun yung office niya doon, oh. Siya yung nag-decide ng color kasi office niya yan. Tapos itong gray, ako ang nag-decide niyan. Tapos yung original price niyan ng gray is I think mga $65 ata, if I'm not mistaken, nakalimutan ko na. Pero syempre, okay, returned. So, nabili ko lang ng $15. Not too bad for $15, right? Huh? But anyway, ito din, kaya lang ayaw ni Corey. He doesn't like the color of our bedroom. Yeah, you're not being shown. But he really did a good job painting. See, para naman itong baby's room. But, well, okay din, $15, so not too bad. And then, my bathroom na walang katapos-tapos. And my beloved jacuzzi. Heto na. Oh, bidu. So, yan na yung magiging jacuzzi heated tub ko. Hallelujah. Parang mali yata yung positioning ng aking tub faucet. So, from there, linipat ko dito kasi dapat ulo dyan eh. Diba, ulo ko dyan, tapos mag-shower ako dyan. Eh, paano ako mag-shower kung nandoon? Yung kasi may handheld shower dyan, yan doon. So, what I did was transfer it. So, para kita ko yung nasa labas. So, magtubig-tubig ako dyan. Parang may waterfalls. Tapos, tingin-tingin sa labas ng mga kahoy sa labas at magmuni-muni. Thank you again! Thank you for watching, everyone! Punta lang ako dito sa aming office. Ito, wala pa. Napintala na ni Corey, pero kailangan man ng tiles, kailangan yung mga toilet at saka vanity ay nasa ilalim, nasa basement. So, ito yung office ni Corey. Siya yung nagpili ng pintal. Yan. Tapos, chandelier doon. But anyway. At, ganun kalubak-lubak yung namin. Tingnan nyo, it's very elevated. See? It's like probably 15 degrees elevation. So, pag umuulan ako, slide ka talaga. That's it for today. Thank you all for watching again. God bless. Bye-bye.
Keeps going. Thundering lightning, pouring. That's her sitting there. Garbage, trash weather. Non-stop thunder, lightning. I wonder how long we're gonna have to sit here. The sun might be coming out over there soon. Still raining, still thundering. Never ending. Painting by the front door. Paintings by the front door. See? By the front door. Machine still there. Painting in the closet. Outside of the closet. Putting touch-up painting. You can't tell much, but hard to tell, but touch-up painting, painting everywhere.